and welcome to Amy's Crafts and Things. I'm Amy. In today's tutorial we're going to talk about copying sewing attributes. I already have some shapes and lettering up on the screen so that we can get started. There are a couple different ways to copy and paste our objects. I'm going to click on the star and make sure that I select those objects. You can go up under Home and click on Copy and then Paste, which will allow you to drag your shape that you have copied and pasted to where you would like to place it. Go ahead and remove that. Another way that you can copy and paste designs is you can go ahead and click on the object and select it. Click on your Control key, click on the object with your Control key pressed down, and you can drag it and release, and it will also make a copy and paste it onto your screen. We'll go ahead and delete that as well. You can also copy and paste different settings from one shape to the next. So for example, I will go ahead and select my star. I will go under Home, click Copy, then I will go and click on a different shape to select it. Then I will go back under Home. Next to Paste, there's a drop down arrow, click on that, and you can paste the attributes from one shape to the next. Undo. Or you can paste selected attributes and you get a pop-up box that lets you choose specifically what you would like. Well, let's just do the line color and the region sewing attributes. And click Paste and it will change it. It also works for letters as well. So let's go ahead and select my star. We'll select those objects. I only want the star, so select object. Then we'll go Copy. Then we'll go into our letters. Select the objects. We'll go Home. Next to Paste, for that arrow, select. We just want to do the line color for this one, and it will change it. So that's how you copy sewing attributes from one shape to the next and copying objects onto your screen using shortcut keys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to be notified when future tutorials are posted. Thank you for watching.